Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood building kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your kids. These kits offer a fantastic way for children to explore their creativity, learn problem-solving skills, and develop hand-eye coordination. From simple structures to complex designs, wood building kits provide hours of fun while fostering a love for building and creating. Let's dive into some of the top picks and see what makes them so special. Number 5. National Geographic Da Vinci Catapult Kit. This amazing kit lets you build 3 historical machines. It's a fantastic way to learn about engineering and history. You'll have a blast constructing these models. The kit includes all the parts to build a ballista, a bombard, and a catapult. Each model is fully functional, offering a hands-on experience. It's a great STEM project for kids. Get ready for some fun. This kit comes with 15 projectiles and 6 paper targets. You can launch them up to 15 feet. It's exciting to see how far it can go. Everything you need is included in the kit. The laser-cut wooden components and clear instructions make assembly easy. You can build each model in 1 to 3 hours. These high-quality models are fun to build and even more fun to use. It makes an amazing gift for kids. It's a fantastic STEM-based activity. We are proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. All products are backed by exceptional service. If your experience is less than stellar, we'll make things right. What we like. This kit lets you build 3 amazing machines, each with a unique function. It comes with everything you need, including projectiles and targets, for immediate fun. If you are looking for a hands-on STEM project that's both educational and exciting, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This set comes with 3 Da Vinci inventions: catapult, bombard, and ballista. Each set is packaged separately and comes with plenty of ammo. Once assembled, these are actually pretty sturdy models that handle being fired pretty well. Number 4. Kraftic Woodworking Kit, Tow Truck, Birdhouse, Dump Truck. Introducing the Kraftic Woodworking Kit. This amazing kit is perfect for kids and adults alike. It provides a fun and educational way to learn about carpentry. The kit includes 3 exciting projects: a tow truck, a birdhouse, and a dump truck. Each project comes with its own set of real wood pieces and clear instructions, making it easy to build. This isn't just a glue-together project, it uses real wood and real tools. The kit includes screws and a screwdriver, allowing kids to experience woodworking firsthand, just like adults. Each project comes in a separate bag with pre-cut and pre-sanded wood pieces. The step-by-step instruction manual makes the building process simple and enjoyable. Kids can build them completely on their own. Once the projects are built, they can be painted with the included paint and brushes. This kit is a fantastic way to spark creativity and provide hours of fun. It is a great gift for the whole family. What we like. This kit provides a real woodworking experience with real wood and tools. It includes multiple projects, allowing kids to build a variety of models. If you like the idea of your kids using real tools and creating something tangible, this kit is ideal. What people say. Nice wood and hardware. The directions are simple exploded parts diagrams. They even throw in a set of paints and small screwdriver. A+. The wood is properly pre-drilled, good and sturdy, thick with stock and grade if they want to paint. These kits are screwed together instead of nailed for a better finished item. Everything was pre-drilled, so all that was needed was the little screwdriver that came with the kit. Number 3. Poraxy 5-in-1 STEM Kits for Kids. This amazing STEM kit provides everything you need to build 5 different model cars. It's a fantastic way for kids to dive into engineering and have fun at the same time. This kit encourages kids to explore STEM concepts in a hands-on way. It's designed to reinforce basic science principles, making learning both educational and entertaining. Building these models helps children develop hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. It stimulates their curiosity and encourages them to think creatively. These kits make wonderful gifts for any occasion. They can be painted and customized, making them unique and personalized creations for any child. All the parts are made from safe, non-toxic materials. The 3D wooden puzzles are pre-cut and easy to assemble, providing a fun, screen-free activity for kids. What we like. This kit offers 5 different model cars in one package, providing variety and extended play. It encourages learning and reinforces basic STEM principles. If you are looking for a gift that combines education and entertainment, this kit is a great option. What people say. The 8-year-old followed directions and was able to assemble the car and tank. All the vehicles work great. Seeing the gears move, wind push and pull the airplane and car, seeing how the tank can roll over objects fascinated the kids for hours. My 9-year-old built these himself, just the right amount of challenging. Great learning toy with immediate results. They all worked. He said the instructions were clear. Number 2. SparkJump Candy Dispenser Wood Building Kit. Looking for a fun family activity? This kit is a crafting adventure that will create unforgettable memories. Assemble it together and watch your family's bond grow stronger. This wooden building kit offers a perfect blend of STEM and creativity. It's ideal for kids ages 4 to 8, 8 to 10, and even older. The kit encourages hands-on STEM learning. Tired of screens? This kit sparks real conversations and laughter while building memories together. It's a chance to create lasting moments with your family. Ignite creativity and ignite conversations. This kit isn't just a craft, it's a catalyst for laughter, chat, and genuine connections. Spice up family time with this DIY delight. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just a day to indulge in creativity, this kit is the secret ingredient for heartwarming moments and limitless fun. Get ready to craft and connect like never before. What we like. This kit is designed to create unforgettable memories through a shared crafting adventure. It blends STEM learning with creative fun, making it perfect for kids of various ages. If you like the idea of spending quality time together while building something fun, this is the perfect choice. What people say. My 6- and 4-year-old loved putting it together. They were so excited that it really worked. He loves building things and this was the perfect 30-minute distraction from him and loves that he can keep using it for his gumballs. She said it even gives out the perfect amount of candy. Number 1. Kraftic Woodworking Kit, Military Vehicle, Excavator, Bird Feeder. This amazing kit from Kraftic lets you build 3 fun projects. It includes everything you need for hours of creative fun. It's perfect for kids and adults. Inside, you'll find real wood pieces, screws, and a screwdriver. This isn't just a glue-together project, it's real woodworking. They can build just like the adults. Each project comes with its own bag of parts and a clear instruction manual. The wood is pre-sanded, so it's easy to handle. After building, they can paint it with the included paints. Build a wooden military vehicle, an excavator, and a bird feeder. Each completed project is about 9 by 5 by 5 inches. It's a great way to learn and create. This Kraftic woodworking kit makes a fantastic gift for any child. It's also a great family project. They will love the satisfaction of building something with their own hands. What we like. This kit provides a real woodworking experience with real wood and tools. It includes multiple projects, allowing kids to build a variety of models. If you like the idea of your kids using real tools and creating something tangible, this kit is ideal. What people say. Easy to put together and durable. Easy to assemble and just complex enough to keep our toddler interested but not get bored. Great little project for kids. It's as well built and great for the beginner carpenter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.